Good evening, this is Viewpoint. I'm Zakhar Jacob. There's been a major decision today by the District Judge of Varanasi that the plea to allow prayers at the Mata Shringar Gauri temple inside the Gyanvapi Masjid complex be allowed. The court has ruled that the suit is maintainable and that the Places of Worship Act does not bar from the Hindu side's plea being admitted. Now there will be subsequent hearings in which the court will have to assess the original character of the masjid complex and whether prayers can be allowed there. But first, the story of what is a historic decision today by the District Judge of Varanasi, which could potentially pave the way for prayers and offerings at the Mata Shringar Gauri temple inside the Gyanvapi Masjid complex.
Celebrations outside the Varanasi court after the verdict on the Gyanvapi dispute. In a big win for the Hindu side, the court agreed to hear a petition filed by 5 Hindu women seeking the right to pray inside the Gyanvapi mosque.
सभी देशवासियों से मेरी अपील है हाथ जोड़ करके कि आज दिए जलाए, शंख नगाड़े बजाए और हर हर महादेव का नारा लगाए.
The court rejected the Muslim side's argument of Order 7, Rule 11 and held that the suit filed by Hindu parties is maintainable in court. There is also no bar on redetermining the religious character of the complex.
The only issue was whether the suit is barred by place of worship or not. That was the only question.
Earlier, a lower court had ordered filming of the mosque complex, and a leaked report to the court stated that a shivling was found inside the mosque's wuzu khana.
Therefore, the artificial walls which are existing beneath the wuzu area has to be demolished first, because let me tell you that the arga of the shivling is still to be found.
The Muslim side had claimed that the Gyanvapi mosque is a Waqf property and had questioned the maintainability of the plea.
ये जो आज ऑर्डर आया है, इससे देश में अब बहुत से चीजें शुरू हो जाएंगी. 91 का एक्ट इसलिए बनाया गया था ताकि इस तरह के कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जो है वो हमेशा के लिए ख़त्म हो जाए. खुदा ना खास्ता अगर हम 80 और 90 के दहे में वापस चले जाएंगे तो ये हर जगह पर एक डिस्टेबलाइजिंग इफेक्ट पैदा हो जाएगा.
When the hearing commences, the court will decide if the 5 Hindu women can access the Shringar Gauri complex. But will it open a Pandora's box for other disputed religious structures?
All right, this is a significant decision today by the court. What may this mean in this fight for the Gyanvapi Masjid complex? Let me go across to Dr. Monica Verma, political analyst joining us. Maulana Masoodul Hasan Qasmi is a Muslim scholar. Mudassir Zama Khan is a lawyer with the Muslim side. Manju Vyas is one of the original petitioners, one of the 5 in this case. She'll be joining us. Swapnil Kothari, lawyer, will also be joining us. Maulana Qasmi, I'll start with you first because today is a big win for the Hindu side. The court has basically said that the plea is maintainable, that they will hear the plea, it is being admitted, and that the side or the argument that the Muslim side had taken that this violates Places of Worship Act, this violates Order 7, Rule 11, that has been completely dismissed by the court. Will you at least now accept that, let this matter go into court and let the court examine the merits of this matter?
Zakaji, let me reiterate again, and mainstream media like you should not create hysteria over this issue. And this is not the issue between Hindu and Muslim. You should not say Hindu side, Muslim side. This is the Mandir side and Masjid side. Many people are with Masjid side, Hindu. Are many Muslims are with the Mandir side. Many Muslims are there. So it is we are doing huge injustice to the country on the name of Hindu Muslim on this issue. This is purely legal battle between 2 brothers, between Hindu and between Mandir and Masjid people. So we should only look into this.
No, it is a legal battle, which is why Maulana Sahab, it is a legal battle, which is why we've been the Hindu side's argument has been that to say that this violates Places of Worship Act, their suit, the plea that they had moved violates Places of Worship Act, has been declared incorrect by the court today. The court in its judgment has said that in its view, the Hindu side's plea does not in any form or fashion violate the Places of Worship Act.
No, we are disappointed with the judgment. We accept
Sure.
the court verdict, but we have other option going to higher court, high court and Supreme Court. And our plea is that the interpreted section 3 and 4 of the Places of Worship Act very categorically says you cannot tinker with any place of worship which has been existing.
No. So the moot
and
point
where
here, the moot
worship
point here
being
is, and I'll ask Dr.
performed
Monica
based on
Verma once
August
again. The moot point here
15th.
is there was this practice of offering prayers, weekly prayers. I think it was on Tuesdays where women used to go to Mata Shringar Gauri. The reason it got disbanded after the 1992 demolition of the Babri Masjid was because of a law and order situation. But to say that that practice did not exist is incorrect. So Dr.